Nobody can stop every attack. But we are building an organization that is ready to withstand, contain, and quickly recover from it, and Veeam is helping us to do so. EPL Limited is world's largest specialty packaging company. It offers sustainable packaging solutions through 21 advanced manufacturing facilities across 12 countries with an annual output of 9 billion tubes from some of the biggest brands like Colgate and Unilever. The IT team in EPL has 35 members and we support over 2,000 users. So previously we faced major challenges. First of all, the legacy backups were slow. Also, backup reliability was an issue. So we have witnessed quite a few times that the restoration took days or failed entirely. These things ultimately led to risk downtime, supply chain disruptions, and even sometimes financially or reputational loss for any of the organization. So we were looking for a solution which was fundamentally designed for the modern virtualized data center. We needed a solution that was simple, fast, reliable, yet affordable. Veeam is helping us to provide our most critical data across virtual machines, SAP ERP, databases, Active Directory and more. Veeam reduced backup time by 40% and the overall RTO by 70%. Backup of mission critical SAP regularly took about 72 hours, but now with Veeam, we can do this in couple of hours instead of days. Given data growth of 16 to 18% annually, Veeam's licensing model has saved more than $56,000 in capital expenditure in EPL. Couple of months ago, we got alert from our SIM and EDR that 2 of our virtual machines got affected in one of the production site. We stopped the contamination and fully restored both the virtual machines in just 4 hours before even users started the operations. There was zero disruption for the business, again highlighted the importance of cyber resiliency. So don't just think about backup, think about resiliency now. Modernizing with solutions that give you immutability, automation and recovery speed so you are ready for today's threats and tomorrow's compliance needs. Immutability, encryption and fast recovery should be non-negotiable, and that's why we have chosen Veeam as our strategic investment in both IT efficiency as well as the business continuity.